Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you an amazing tool that will blow your mind. If you are learning Russian or if you like to watch Russian movies or TV shows, this software can not only help you translate Russian videos to English subtitles, but also dub them into English. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how you can dub a Russian video into English using HitPaw Edimakor. Make sure to watch till the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. Before we start, let's open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can download it by clicking the link in the description below. Now click on Create a Video. Step 2. Speech to Text. Import your video and drag it to the timeline. Right-click the video and select Speech to Text. Now the subtitles have been generated successfully. Let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Translate. Selected the subtitle in the top right, click Translate. It will open a new window. Here, select the language you want to translate into. If you want to dub it into English, open Speaker here, and choose an AI voice you like.
Hello. Let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Hello. Let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Under that, it has a speech rate control. Speech rate control can help you adjust the speaking speed to match the reading with the video. Always make sure to open that. Now click Start Translate and wait for it to process. After it's done, you can see there are speed signs at the end of each sentence. If it's red, it means the speech is either too fast or too slow. You can click here to retranslate. Now at the bottom, you can check this box to add bilingual subtitles to the video, or simply click Add. Now delete the original audio. And you can see your video has been dubbed into English successfully.
How painful, my dear. How strange. Merging in the earth, entwined by branches. Painful, my dear. How strange. To split apart under the saw. The wound on the heart will not heal. It will flow with pure tears. The heart's wound won't heal.
Isn't that easy? If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.